This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so this is just going to be a short video. Someone asked, is there any documentation or references on Timber, which is Shopify's framework that they have used, and also they have a Timber theme. I'm going to give you as many references that I have found on the topic. It's not really being updated anymore, so there's not a whole lot on it, but I'll give you all that I found. I'll include them in the comment section of this video. So yeah, so pretty much Timber was a framework built by a project's team. They also have the Timber theme, which I'm showing you right here. It uses an Ajax cart. It uses a version of Bootstrap as well as CSS wizardy grids. So it's a little bit different than most Shopify themes. So yeah, I'm going to include the references so you can kind of peruse around them, see what you like, and how to work with it if you're still working with Timber. Hope that helps and have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.